Yeah, there's no way she's gonna make it up here.
Hey, no pros.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got the YIGONG Tractor out, and we're gonna see how we can play around with it, doing a real-world demonstration, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of No Pros RC.
Welcome to No Pros RC. It doesn't have enough power. It's hard to move the loose stones.
Okay, so at this point we're struggling on this stone type surface. I guess she'll do better in the sand. We'll have to see once we get all three of them together. It's basically for indoor use. Now here on blacktop surface, let's see. It moves a lot better. It still makes that ticking noise. I'm not sure what that is. So yeah, on the blacktop surface, it would do okay, but if it comes up against something that's in its way, it doesn't have the power to get out of its own way. So yeah, there you have it. If you're new to the channel, click the like button if you like this demonstration. If you have this guy and you have some tips that you can give me, please share them in the comments below. And yeah, that's going to do it for this series with our construction equipment. Still have to get all 3 of them in the sand pit and see what we can do with them. But yeah, that'll be coming up at some point in time once I can get all hands on deck to help me film this and control the equipment. Till the next video, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very, very much for the 3,000 plus subscribers. I appreciate and love you all. And as always, thank you for taking your valuable time to watch this video, and y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.